Welcome back to Nailed It! Today I'm going to show you guys how to use the new Light Elegance Jimmy Gel, and I know you guys have heard about it. It's Light Elegance Builder Gel in a bottle. It has a really thin viscosity. It's kind of like One Step but a little bit thinner, and it smells amazing for gel. I think it smells really good. So if you guys ever tried their pedicure collection, or their pedicure line I should say, it kind of smells like the lotion of that. And it's really easy to use, you guys. Super easy. I don't necessarily care for the applicator that's on the brush applicator, but yeah, it's personal preference. I can definitely use my nail brush if I wanted to. So here we're going to start with my thumb. It's already prepped, so I'm going to make sure that all the dust is off, and I kept this in real time for you guys too. I'm sorry that I'm kind of all over the place, but I never usually keep my videos in real time, so yeah. Right now I'm applying the Light Elegance Vita Prime, and I'm going to kind of let that soak into my nail, and then I'm going to go in with the Light Elegance Tack, and I'm going to apply that all over my nail and then cure in my light for 30 seconds. So now I'm going to be taking some a nail form. It's not some. It's a really inexpensive nail form. They're really super cheap and you get a lot of them. So yeah, I don't really use nail forms too much, so this was perfect for someone like me. So I'm going to separate all the sides and do all that stuff, and then I'm going to kind of measure it to my thumb and see where I need to cut. And then I'm going to take my scissors and cut where I need to cut it and just help it fit my nail a little bit better. And then I'm going to put that on, and then you guys will see the finished results. And once I have the nail form on, I'm going to be using that Light Elegance Jimmy Gel, and I'm going to apply a very, very thin layer of it on my nail. I applied a thin layer because at the time I did not know if it was going to have a super bad heat spike. So I just did a little bit so I can try to build up the nail and kind of get the feel of the gel. And you guys, this gel did not have not the slightest bit of heat spike. My actual natural nail bed is very sensitive and it had nothing. I was so freaking impressed. This is amazing. And I think it's really good for somebody that's like me. I don't really care for builder gels in a bottle, but this is really easy to use and it didn't scare me away, if that made any sense. So I don't know, I love the viscosity of it. It's perfect, you guys. It reminds me of the Light Elegance One Step. It's just a little bit thinner, and it's beautiful. It soaks off. It's amazing. It's just as strong as normal gel. Oh my gosh, it has so many good qualities. I'm in love at the moment. Alright, and now that I applied the gel on my nails, I'm just going to take that nail form off. So I'm going to pinch the nail form very gently because I don't want to break off the extension I just applied. And I'm going to pull down, not up, just pull down, and then voila, there's your tip. And then after I'm done with that, I'm going to cleanse my nail, and I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to shape the nail, but I'm not actually going to shape my nail on camera. I'm just going to show you guys how I would do it. And after you're done filing and shaping your nail, you're going to cleanse it, and then you're going to be left with something that is decent and you can actually call a nail. So now I'm going to do the rest of my hands off of camera, and here's what it looked like after I took the nail forms off, and then I'm going to go back off camera and shape them, and then you guys will see what they look like after I'm done shaping them all. And this is what they look like once I'm done shaping them. They're alright. I can do better with my shaping. I'm really bad at coffin shaping, if you guys didn't ever notice that on my videos. So I'm going to be taking one of these colors from the new Light Elegance buttercreams, and I'm trying to decide which color to actually use. So I'm going to go in with the Light Elegance Just White on my ring finger and my pointer finger. I mean, my ring finger and my middle finger. And then I couldn't decide if I wanted to do tumbleweed, and that's kind of what I started with. And then I opened, what is the name of that gel? Just a Mirage. And I saw that color and I was like, I don't know if it will go with the set that I'm thinking about. So I decided to go with the kind of pinkish coralish color, and that's the tumbleweed. And it's really beautiful, you guys. I really do love the color. I love both of them, but I decided to go with this one. And I'm just going to apply it on the rest of my nails and give it a cure in my light for 30 seconds, and then do another coat. These are my final results. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and enter into my giveaway that I have going on my channel. And I will catch you guys in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.